guys, my name is Armin. In today's episode, learning Revit. So I want to show you a very good feature that I like. It calls Map. So the good thing about Map is it's gonna help you understand your project. It can helps you like turn on and off the grids. Go in different rooms. Basically, seeing a floor plan with all the room tags in it. It can show you the level and much more. I thought it would be a great way to help you understand what Map could do in your coordination and basically facilitate the navigation for you going from one location to another location. Let's jump into Revit so we can take a look at it together. But if you like the content, make sure to subscribe and leave a like.
So, in today's episode, we want to take a look at a way to basically navigate more accurately and more efficiently when it comes to the coordination within Revit. So we know navigation is most important part, and you want to get to an area and identify it to all the team members on the project to see where we are, where we going, what's going on the project, and the best way to do that is the map that we have in Revizto. So I really like this feature. So when you click on the map, it's basically first of all show you where you're looking at the project, and also it has a few items over here that we're gonna set stuff up together. So when you bring the project and you are not seeing grids, rooms, and stuff like that, we can set it up here. So when you bring a model into Revit, so sometimes it comes in with the linked model, so you have like a multiple items and you can see these warning sign. It says no grid model specified. So it means we have, let's say, the architectural model with a few linked model to it, all published to Revizto. So you want to tell Revizto which model Revizto can use the grid as a reference. So in order to do that, you can see this icon basically next to it. So as I click on it, it basically opens up the model for me. So you basically see right here it has multiple model. We have architectural, we have facade, and we have the site. So and then also right here it's going to tell us like site doesn't have any grid, facades model had 10, and then 28 grids from the actual architectural model. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select this one. This is what I need, and then I leave this. It says store the closest grid intersection, so I leave that as the basically just as a default and hit OK. So you can see as soon as I click on it, all the grids are show up on the project that I have, right? I can basically turn them on and off, but exactly is going to tell us like what type of grid we have on these project, where those grades are, and you can also go back anytime you want and change it to a different model if you want to see a different grid. So these are the different grids that are available on the facade model, but what I would like to do, I just want to look at all the architectural one. And you can easily can turn them on and off and adjust. So grids, the first thing that we need to set it up if you have multiple projects. The next one that we want to set up is the levels, right? So when we export or we publish the Revit model, it comes into Revit, so it has multiple levels. So what we want to do, we want to basically set up the levels. So what we're going to do, we're going to click on this edit project level, and it will basically ask us levels of display on the map. They are used for issue clash location tagging. So we want to make sure we always use the architectural structural model, because when we create a clash or assign a tag or the issue or anything, it basically this is going to be the identifier for that area at what level it is. So make sure you select the correct model. So as soon as I select the architectural model, you can see I see all the elevation, all the datum that was available previously in the Revit model right now shown right here. So going from the parking, which is going to be below grade, my L1 as 0, and these are going down, these are going up, right? In the model. Let's just check the facade, see what it shows. So you can see the facade has a different elevation. So that's what I was referring to. If you want to select a model, make sure that you select the architectural model that has all the elevation and has all the rooms for issue and clash uh, identification. That's going to help you out. And also leave it this way, use the level of the issue. So if you go to a level, Down this one is going to use the level above it. We don't need that. We just want to basically use the actual architectural, and whenever we click to create an issue, that's going to show up. So when I do that, okay, you guys can see right here all my project level has shown up. So if I want to, let's say, go to level 4, I'm going to click on level 4 and it's going to take me to the actual level 4. And as you notice, right here, I have an office unit 401, a live work unit 403. So this is a kind of the location of all of these room, and that's coming from the room tags that we publish from Revit to Revizto. So if I turn this off, it's gonna go away. If you want to see the rooms are basically right here. And then right here it says eye level offset, so I can show you basically the distance, the difference between this. It kind of, just kind of show the eye level, the offset of the elements from one level, so you can see a little bit of the difference how this is gonna look like, right, between those two. So the good thing right here is any level that I click on right here is gonna take me over there and it's gonna show me what it is. So let's say if you are doing a coordination and you are kind of lost, you don't know where you are, where the issues are, you can come here, go to the map real quick and see it. And if I right now close this, I can see all the grids and everything on the model that I have. So here I want to show you two tips that users, often struggle with. So if you are here outside of the project and hit the map, you might not be able to see it, right? And even if you click on this, it's not going to take you over there because this is a location of you and the project is basically far away, right? So in order to do that, you can kind of go over there, double click on it in the model, get closer and just look at it, right? So everything shows up, and then you can kind of let me just zoom in so you guys can see. So I can then move the actual levels and then see how everything goes level by level. So just make sure you know the location that you're looking at the model when you go to the map, because if you're really outside and you're somewhere here, you won't be able to see it. So if I'm here, you can see it's basically I won't be the model, and if I keep moving this, the model is going to change, but the location that I'm standing and looking at the model is far away. I'm not able to see it. So just make sure you're right on top of it so you can see exactly what is going on when you're moving it. That's one. And the next one is, let's say if you are in this area and you want to get to this room. So if I double click, it just takes me inside that area real quick. So I can kind of move around, I kind of walk, see where the areas are. So this is, I think, the great tool that can take you to a different location. Let's say I want to go to M1. This is going to be the M1. I want to go this room. Double click on it. It's basically take me inside this room. I can kind of walk around and see. And if you hit Control Z, it's going to take you up back just to zoom. So it's basically just take you back to the same area outside of the model and outside of the map. So if you are, let's say, inside the map, let's do it one more time. Let's do just go level 4, right? So I'm gonna go level 4. I wanna click here. I'm inside this room. I'm just kind of looking at this area. So if I wanna get out of the map and then go out, just hit Control Z, takes me back out of the map and the overhead zoom of the model. Hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. If you like the content, make sure to subscribe and leave a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.